Hello. Hi. Sorry. Uh, can you talk with me about yeah, I'm very happy and tell me about yeah, where are you from? I come from England. Yes, England. Yeah. Where are you? What's the name? I'm Peter. You mean my teacher? Uh, uh, what do you do in Hello. Yeah, I'm a teacher. Now I teach in Lancaster Center. Lancaster Center. Yeah, I learning. I learning in the Lancaster Center. Yeah. How long? How many people? Yeah. Finally, I have a very information for finally. Yeah. I'm a student. Yeah, I'm beautiful. Yeah. The food in Vietnam very great. Yeah. And I like the Vietnam. Oh, yeah. Me too. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Um. 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 um do you like Vietnam? Yeah, the food in Nam great. I love the phở, bún chả. Oh, yeah, me too. Yeah, do you no, I don't like beer. Why not? I I like Coca-Cola. I not I don't like uh, beer. Yeah. But I very like beer. Yeah. Oh. What style of food? What style? What style of food what style of food? Uh, what style of food do you like? I like bún chả and curry. Yeah. What about you? Uh, me too. Yeah. Yeah. The same. Where where do you go to Vietnam? Where do you I used to I used to go Sapa, Mumbai, yeah, and Đà Nẵng, yeah. Do you know alcohol in Vietnam? Oh, I didn't know. Oh, tell me about uh, the yes, yes. Alcohol is Vietnam. It's nice. You are very very popular in Vietnam. You are yeah. Yes. Uh, I can take you to visit alcohol. You are Muslim. Or um, um, yes, uh, sorry, I'm busy. Um, uh, I'm very happy when talking about yeah, 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 bye bye. Yeah, bye bye. Every